a new pastor in a new church. This new pastor wanted to make a good impression as a pastor. So his first homily, his first sermon, was a little bit long. He wanted to pass a point. He wanted to make a foundation or to establish a foundation for him as the new pastor in that church. But he forgot. These people that he's preaching to have been there. They have seen other pastors. They have seen other preachers. They have listened to so many. Preachers have come, pastors have come, they have left. These are the people who have been in this parish for some time and they know their church. So this pastor wanted to make a positive impression for him and to establish a foundation for his pastorate as a minister, as a pastor in that church. So he preached for some time. And there was a lot of coughing. There was a lot of coughing from the congregation. So after the sermon, he turned to the deacon and said, I guess today we had so many sick persons in our congregation today because there was a lot of coughing coming from the congregation. Don't you think so? The deacon just laughed and told the pastor, no, there is nobody who is sick in our congregation. When you hear coughing from the congregants, it's a time signal. A time signal. That means you have preached more than they expect, more than they can take in. So next time, find a point where you can find your way to conclude. And the coughing will be over. The coughing will be finished. So sometimes we think when we are preaching, we want to make a point, we want to emphasize, we want to repeat, we want to come back again and make people understand what we are talking about. But something that I've come to understand is sometimes it's good to just make your sermon in points form. Make it short. I'm not a good one in making my homily short, but I can make in points form. So if they forget everything else, they can remember some of the few points that I talked about.